What's up, gorgeous people? This is Amber's DIY and other stuff. My name is Amber Meeks, and in this video, I am part of a mystery palette challenge. So this challenge was created by Michelle, and her channel is called Makeup Mom and Son, and she came up with this really fun idea where we had partners. Well, I'm going to try to explain this to you guys in terms I hope you understand. So we have partners for this challenge, and my partner is Cheryl from Gracefully Cheryl, and her and I needed to pick numbers from 1 to however many pans were in each other's palettes. So Cheryl had 15 pans in her palette, and then I have 27 pans in mine. So what Cheryl did was pick numbers from 1 to 27 and told me where she wanted me to put those numbers. So like 1 goes on the inner corner, 2 goes on the lid, so on and so forth, right? So we don't know what palettes each other have. She doesn't know what palette I've chosen. I didn't know what palette she chose. So I just started randomly throwing numbers out and telling her where to put these numbers on her eyes. So we have no idea how these eye looks are going to turn out. It could be really crazy. It could be really good. It just all depends on where these numbers fall in our palettes. So I didn't actually number my palette, but I'm just going from left to right. Just going to keep it really simple, 1 through 27 from left to right, not including the middle pans. I'm going to do those down the set. I'm going to go 1 left to right, 1 all the way across, and then after I do the across, I have 3 large pans in the center. That's going to be let's see, there's 27. So 25, 26, and 27. Those ones are going to be the last 3 numbers, but the rest of the numbers will simply go from left to right. Gosh, I hope that makes sense. I really don't want to try to explain it again. I am so extremely tired. I don't even have the earrings in. I just came from shopping all day, and I'm really hoping I can knock this out for you guys. So without further ado, let's jump into this thing. Okay guys, before I get started on my look, I want to explain a little bit more in detail how this is going to work. So I sent a picture of the eye areas where you put your makeup to Cheryl because neither one of us are makeup experts and we didn't know what the heck we were doing. So we just went with this photo. So she picked 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 sections of my eye, and then she picked the numbers that I'm supposed to use in this palette. So I'm using the Friends Revolution palette. So here it is right here. This is the palette that I'm going to use for this challenge. It has 27 pans in it. So let me open it up for you guys and let me explain how I'm doing my numbers. So my numbers are just going to go from left to right. So this would be my left. I might be the right on the screen. I have no idea. Anyways, it goes from left to right. So I'm going to count like 1, 2, 3, and then 4, 5, 6, and then 7, 8, 9, and then all the way down here. And then I'll do these 3 pans, 25, 26, and 27. Okay, so that's how mine's labeled. Nothing special, nothing crazy, so that I wasn't cheating when she sent me these numbers. Because, I could try to make it so the look looked nice, but, we're not doing that, okay? So for the brow bone highlight, which is apparently this area right here, I'm using this little sheet here. She picked number 1. So that's not bad at all. That's a nice light color. So this is the color I'm going to be using for my brow bone highlight. And then for the crease, she picked number 8. So I'm going to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh my. This is what I have to use for my crease. I'm not a huge fan of orange, so we're going to see how this goes. Okay, and the number 15 is my lid. So I guess that's this area right here. I don't know. I mean, I think that's where the thing is pointing to. So she picked number 15. So far it's looking pretty good because yellow and orange go very good together. So I'm supposed to use the yellow on my crease. These aren't terrible so far. So we have like this, this, and this. That's not terrible. Let's see how we do here. Upper lash line. Where's that at? Oh, okay. So that's like right here. I'm supposed to use number 27. So we know that the center part is 26 or 25, 26, and 27. So this purple right here will be 27. I don't know, guys. We'll see how this is going to look. All right. And then number 23 is the outer V. So I guess that's this right here. So that would be this dark purple right here. It's not terrible. It goes with the other purple. Just don't know how these other colors are going to flow together. We're going to have to see. And then 11 is the waterline, which is right here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 is going to be this one right here. Okay, and then 7 is the lower lash line, which would be down here. underneath the waterline, right? Yeah. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It's going to be this really light peachy color here. I'm not going to like that probably at all. And then 15 is my tear duct. Where's the tear duct? Oh, right here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Oh, she picked 15 twice. Okay, that's cool. So it's this yellow again for the tear duct. All right. So those are my colors. I know that was a lot. I hope you guys could follow all that. So let me go ahead and take off the makeup that I currently have on my eyes, and we're just going to go ahead and knock this out. Okay guys, so here I am after I took my eye makeup off. Well, sort of took my eye makeup off. There's going to be some mascara still under my eyes, and you know what guys, I was just too tired to care. So you know that I'm using this Friends Revolution palette, and I'm going to go in with that number 11 that Cheryl chose for my waterline. And it's like a magenta, red, crazy, yeah, pinkish, whatever. It's going to look nuts, but you know what? That's the color that is number 11, so we're going to put that on. I'm going to use one of these foam brushes, and I'm just going to put that on my waterline, and look at all that mascara still left over, you guys. My eyes look tired. I'm tired. I haven't slept in days because I had some situations with my son's school and I was just so nervous about it, and I did get it all worked out. But anyways, we're going to move on to this color here, which is a color that she chose for my lower lash line. And I'm going to put this on. Well, attempt to put it on. It's a really light color. And as you can see, guys, it's really not showing up. My skin is just way too dark. All of this is doing is hiding that hideous mascara that was left over from when I took my eye makeup off. So now we're going to go in with this yellow color, which is the color that she chose for my tear duct. And again, guys, I don't know what is going on here, but this stuff just isn't going on very well. And I like to use my fingers, so I probably should use a brush. But anyways, we're going to go in with this purple color that she chose for my lower lash line. I'm going in with another one of those foam brushes, and as you can see, it's really not working out very well for me. I do end up fixing this a little bit later, kind of, sort of, but yeah, that's what we're doing so far. And then she chose this yellow color also for my lid, so I'm going in with that yellow color on my lid again. It's going on okay, guys, but I don't know, man, maybe I was just off because I was so tired. And then she chose this orange color for what is going to be, I think this is called my crease. I think so, guys. I don't know what I'm doing here, but that color is so bright. Look at how bright that is. I hate orange anyways on myself. It just doesn't look good. Then we're going to go ahead and go in this brow bone highlight color, which is actually a really good color that she chose for my brow bone highlight. This would totally be fine in a regular look. Now we're moving on to this crazy purple color that she chose for my outer V, and I actually quite like this color in other looks, but this one, it's not really doing anything. I mean, this look is just terrible. After I do that, guys, here's my final look. I look crazy. I look tired. I look pale. I look everything. My eyes look so wrinkly. Guys, my eyes aren't this wrinkly. I am just so super tired. But anyways, you can see how terrible this look looks. This is definitely not my best work. Let's go ahead and jump into my final thoughts. Okay, guys, so I am well aware I look crazy. This is crazy, but it was definitely a lot of fun. So a huge shout out to Michelle for coming up with this idea. Thank you, Cheryl, for being my partner with this for this collab. This was a lot of fun. Cheryl and I are both not makeup experts, and both of us were like, what are all the parts of the eye where you put your makeup and what are they called? Neither one of us had any idea, so I just took a snapshot from the internet, sent it to her, and that's just what we rolled with. And you know what? I probably still messed it up even though I had the diagram, but you know what? I did the best I could. This was a lot of fun. This is definitely not the way I normally put on my makeup, but you know, this is what we did for today. All right, guys, make sure that you check out all the lovely ladies who are part of this collab. I'm sure that their looks were probably just as crazy and as fun as mine is, so you don't want to miss that. I'll have links to all of their videos in my description box below. All right, guys, that's all I got for you in this video, and I'll catch you in my next one. Bye! My name is Amber Meeks, and in this video, I am part of a collab where we are picking each other's... I gotta think. So we had partners for this challenge, and our partners picked numbers from 1 to however many number of palettes were in pans. Pans were in your palette. I'm so tired. I hope I can get through this. Okay. My name is Amber Meeks, and in this video, I am part of a collab where we are picking, what? Mystery Palette Challenge collab? And then we tell each other where we're going to put these numbers that we've chosen. We don't know what the palettes look like. They have no idea. Like, Cheryl has no idea who my, okay. I'm getting sidetracked. This is like a lot and I'm so tired. Okay, hold on. So first, let me tell you, Michelle from Makeup Mom and Son created this challenge, and it's really fun, but it's also can get a little confusing to explain, if that makes sense. Ugh, hold on. Okay, guys, so that look didn't exactly turn out the way that I was hoping it would. No. Okay. And thank you so much, Cheryl, for being my partner. I am a hard person to partner with because I am so busy all of the time. I always rush to try to get these videos done at the last minute, but I love so very much being a part of these. And I thank all the lovely ladies that were part of this collab. Please make sure that you check out all of their videos. I'll have links to their videos in my description box below. I'm messing this up. You know, sometimes your life just gets so busy and so crazy, so you find yourself filming these things last minute, which is what happened to me in this case. So thanks for stopping by. Okay, blah. I screw up at the end every time. Damn it. Okay, guys, so I am well aware I look crazy. This look is totally not anything that I would absolutely... Okay. And I'm sure that I did a lot of mine wrong, even with the diagram, but you know what? I don't care. It was a lot of fun. I sure hope you guys enjoyed this video. That's all I got for you this time, and I'll catch you in my next one. No, I didn't say check out all the other ladies. Ugh. Okay, one more.